And how's it going, guys? It's i7tech here, and today I'm gonna be updating you guys on the Streetbees application. So if you like this type of content, make sure to hit that subscribe button and bell notification to stay notified with the latest videos on this channel. With that being said, I'm i7tech, and let's get into this video. Now, Streetbees is an amazing application that allows you to do a lot of stories, mainly definitely to take pictures of the things that you're doing, or if you're eating something. There are many stories on that platform that you can do and then earn some money. Now, I've been using Streetbees for some time now, for a couple of months, and it's been amazing for me because I've been able to make a little bit of pocket money, even though it's not a lot of money. You know, it's money for airtime, and sometimes I'll add it to what I have and increase it. I've made over 400 Rand on the Streetbees application to date, and I'm going on to 600 in the next 2 months. So how does Streetbees work? If you don't know how Streetbees work, I'll link to the first video that I did on Streetbees. This video is only for me to say thank you to the people that have clicked on the link and use my referral code to sign up for Streetbees. You know, I just received a message yesterday that told me that the people that are actually, you know, using your referral code, and Streetbees paid me a little bit of money to, you know, just to say thank you for the referrals that I've done for them. And I want to get on here and to say thank you to you guys, and I really appreciate that you guys are using my referral code. And I know a lot of YouTubers don't do this, but I'd like to just to say thank you to you guys, and you don't know how much this really means to me. And I also want to do more apps like this. So I'll show you guys. I've done over 112 stories on the Streetbees application in a span of about a couple of months. You know, I've made a decent amount of money, as I can show you right now. And for those of you that don't know, they send it to your PayPal, and then you can withdraw the money from your PayPal to your bank account, and it's really that easy. I've got videos in the description below or in the card up here, so that you can check it out, how to link your PayPal account to your FNB and how it works when you taking your money from Streetbees to your PayPal account, and then down and to your and into your bank account. So you can easily do that, and you know, it's quite simple, and you can make money online using this platform. The reason why I'm doing this video of Streetbees is because Streetbees just passed, I think, the 4 billion mark in terms of raising funds for various charities and projects that they were doing in the UK and in Europe as well. So I'll link the article in the description below if I find it. If I don't, just Google Streetbees and their contribution to, you know, raising funds for charities, and then you'll find all the information there, or just go to the Streetbees website or social media platforms, and all the information is there. You can see they've been doing a lot of work in different countries in Europe, in Asia, in South America. You know, they've got offices in a lot of places. So if you were still skeptical about this website, I know it doesn't make you a lot of money. It makes you, you know, a few pennies here and there, but you know, it's money that over time can really make something if you know, dedicated to it. And if you have like a few minutes to spare, you know, close to the 15th and close to month end, just stick to the application and you'll get the stories that you want and to make money from. I've done a lot of stories right now, as you can see, as I've shown you in the earlier stages of this video. And yeah, man, this is me just to show you. It's not a flex or anything. I just wanted to show you guys that this app actually works. This is one of the apps that actually really works, even though it's not making you a lot of money, but it's consistent in the money that it gives you. And if you want to make more, just refer people, and it will, you know, that your money will start, you know, accumulating over time. The more people you refer, they send you referral money after every month. Maybe the first week of every month you'll get your money. You can also look out for that. And yeah, man, I'm just liking this application. Streetbees is amazing. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. If you have any troubles, yeah, man, I'll always answer anybody that leaves a comment in my videos. Anyway, this has been i7tech. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and press that bell so you can stay notified with the latest videos on this channel. With that being said, make sure to like these videos if you like it and share it with your friends. I'm myself Tech, and I'll see you guys in the next one.